Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In my last video, I had shown you how to extract email IDs from various countries, various cities using Shane's tool. Now in this procedure, I will tell you how to extract email IDs from Google. It is for free using Email Extractor Lite. This can depend upon your topic related to your blog article, topic related to your YouTube video, etc. Or the one which you have to sell your affiliate product using email marketing. So go on to Google and type. So now in this case, India is my selected country. Health insurance is my niche that I want to get the email IDs so that I can sell an health insurance and earn an affiliate commission from it using email marketing. And the gmail.com is the source which I am using. So I will press enter. Okay, so now as you can see here, there are almost 10 pages. Google has shown me the 10 pages in my results page. So what I will do now is go on to my settings. I will click on settings, then the search page will open, and now here you can see results per page. Now this I will click up to 100. So but if I click 100, my page loading will get slower because of poor results, and I will scroll down a bit little, and here you have to click show more. Now here you have to select the target country from which you want the email address for marketing purpose. Now say in this case my target country is India, so I will select India and I will save this. I will click on this. I am not a robot. Okay, now so this is good to go. Okay, so now as you can see, I have almost I have selected 100 pages, so this will provide me with 100 pages. Open Google. You have to type here Email Extractor Lite, and after typing you can select this first website. I am not recommending this, you can use anyone. So I will click on this and this page will be opened in front. So now what you have to do is, again you have to come back here. On this page you have to click here once and select Control All. I have selected it all. Now I will select Control C. I will copy this all. Again I will come on this page and I will paste this here. And as you can see here, separated is comma. I will select here as a new line, and now I will click on extract. Okay, so email count is 62, so I have 62 emails from this particular. So I will save this. Click on docs, click on these 3 horizontal lines and click on sheets. Now click on a blank template. Now copy all these email addresses. Few of them might not work, but most of them, 80 to 90% will definitely work. Control C and I will paste them all on this spreadsheet. Control V. So in this way I have got these email IDs. As you can see, I have got 62 email address from this 100 results page. Likewise, I can also target city wise. So for say example, I will click here, instead of India, I will click here Mumbai. And press enter again. Okay, now I will again repeat the same procedure. I will select Control All, Control C, Email Extractor. I will delete this all. I will paste here, Control V, new line extract, and I will select all these email addresses. Control C. I have got 16 of this in this spreadsheet. Again I will come down and paste. So you can start doing this city wise, so you get more of the email addresses. Remember, these email addresses are those who have particularly checked out for a healthy insurance related topic in past couple of months. So they are related to my work, so I can send them email, and I can sell them health insurance. So if you liked my video friends, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share my video.